David, I just gave another presentation and halfway through, I swear, I saw people checking their phones. How do I make my talks actually interesting?
Welcome to every presenter's nightmare. Here's the secret. Facts tell, but stories sell. Instead of listing data, try opening with, last quarter, our client Sarah almost canceled her contract. Here's how we saved it. Boom, instant attention.
But I'm not a natural storyteller. How do I even structure one?
Use the problem, struggle, solution framework. Problem, Sarah was frustrated with our slow response times. Struggle, our team worked 72 hours straight, but the bug kept recurring. Solution, then we discovered this one overlooked setting and it fixed everything.
Won't stories make my presentation too long?
Nope. Keep it 90 seconds max. Use vivid details like, picture this, it's 3 a.m., coffee cups everywhere, but cut fluff. Your audience will remember the story, not slide 12's bullet points.
What if my topic's dry, like budget reports?
Even budgets have drama. Try, this line item almost sank our project until we found a creative workaround. Conflict equals engagement.
Mind blown. I'm ditching my next PowerPoint for a story about our printer catastrophe.
Now you're getting it. Just don't actually set the printer on fire for tension.